We taught you the push-up. We taught you the plank. Now it's time to get the most important part of your arms in shape. It's time to get those spidey triceps all ripped and ready to go. Yo, what is up guys, and welcome back to Atypical Athletics, your #1 fitness channel for kids, teens, and adults, and anyone in between who's willing to get themselves in the superhero shape. I'm Adam, this is Anthony, and today we're going to teach you another fundamental workout, the dip. It's going to get them arms nice and ripped. See them backs right there? Oh yeah, Spidey's going to be jealous of you guys. This is going to be a simple tutorial to show you just how to do a dip so that way you get your arms nice and ripped. So me and Anthony are going to show you how to do that, so be sure to grab a chair. You can do this absolutely anywhere, whether that be at home, whether it be at school, whether it be at the airport. You can get ripped anywhere, just like Spider-Man. So grab your chair and let's hop right into this.
Alright guys, we got these Spidey straps strong here. We got this exercise that's done on the floor. Okay guys, so if you got a piece of floor that's as big as you, whether it be in your backyard, in your bedroom, your parents' room, front yard, wherever it may be, it's all good. So this exercise is going to be started on the ground. Here guys, so we're going to take position. So like I said, we're working on these triceps here, right? Get these Spidey strong. So we're working on the right side. So from here guys, everything's going to be laying on the left side. So everything's going to be stacked. So my feet, my knees, hips, and my shoulders, everything's going to be stacked here guys. And to start, we're using the right hand here, nice and tight right by my belly button here. We don't want it up here too far, we don't want it back here, nice and close to the body here. Alright, from here guys, we're going up down. From here, pushing the body up and away. And at the top, you can see those muscles starting to pull out there on the top, right? So once we're at the top, we're here, and then nice and slow, control all the way down. So we're breathing out, and we're breathing in. We're out, and we're in. Guys, and if we can only do one of these, that's great. 5 of these, perfect. Once we get to up to 10 of these, guys, on each side, right side, left side, then we're moving on to the chair dip, all right? Okay, guys, so before we get to the chair, we've got a little secret Spidey step in between, okay, guys? So from those one-armed exercises that we were doing on the floor just before, so we're laying on the left side, working our right arm, right side, working our left arm, right? You need a reference, you can go back and check that out. So from here, the secret step in between is we got Adam on the floor now, okay? So he's going both arms at the same time. First thing he's gonna do, he's gonna plant his feet, or excuse me, plant his hands right there by his butt. Elbows are pointing backwards. And from here, the first thing Adam's going to do is take a deep breath, and he's going to breathe out, and he's going to lift his rump right off the floor. Perfect position now, and this is where he's starting. So from here now, Adam's going to breathe, and he's going to bend at the elbows, and he's pushing up and going down. Every time that butt hits the floor, he's popping right back up to those straight arms, guys, okay? Once you can master this, you get 5, you get 10, you can do any more than 10, 15 of these, you're moving to the chair dips. Okay guys, so you have to hear the third stage here, the super Spidey dips, all right? We introduced Adam to the chair here, okay guys? So we started on the floor on our sides here. Next, once we mastered that, we went to little baby dips from the floor, little baby Spidey dips here. And now, once we're feeling strong enough, we're feeling lean enough, mean enough, we're getting those arms in good shape here, guys, we're going to the chair. So Adam's here up on the chair in their starting position here, guys. So these are the super Spidey chair dips. And from here, same motion as from on the floor, you just get a little bit deeper on these guys. So all the way about them. So once those arms are about 90 degrees, you got a full bend in them, you're straightening them back up. Perfect, guys. Here we are. Adam building his super Spidey web-slinging arms.
Yo, thank you guys so much for watching. That has been our Spider-Man dip tutorial. Keep doing these dips every day so that way you can get your arms in ripped Spidey shape and get them ready for web swinging so that way you can take on some bad guys. This has been Atypical Athletics. This is Adam. This is Anthony. And we are here to get you in superhero shape. Be sure to smash that like button. Be sure to subscribe. And we will see you guys in the next one. Catch you later.